We're here to run a Makeathon with 50 kids, but the point of it is to train the trainers. So we're going through a series of steps throughout the 4 days that we're here that will teach the trainers how to run a Makeathon like we run one at MTF Labs.
So a Makeathon is an intensive process of creating something, but it is the process itself that seems to be the most important, especially with kids, because this is the way they learn new things. It's their experience that is most important. Problem solving, collaboration. So the product itself, in the end, is not nearly as important as the process.
Kids can learn much, but also we can learn.
I like that we are given the choice, like, to be creative, to use like robotics together. It allows us to create something that we have never heard of.
I like building the robots and programming the robots.
You can be so creative here, you know? The best part.
I learned that kids have great imagination. They have very interesting questions, and they have great solutions for some problems.
I think it's very important to teach them that cooperation is the way to success, not competition.
I learned about controlling the servo motors. I learned a lot of stuff about microbits that I already didn't knew, because I knew a little bit about it, but in the last couple of days I really expanded my knowledge about it.
I learned that I am more creative than I thought I was.
What did I learn? The power of friendship.